Today we are going to compare two half acoustic guitars. This one, the Ltd TL6, the Harley Benton HBO 850. If you are a guitar player who needs acoustic guitars in a live situation, then maybe you want something which doesn't cause feedback a lot, which is the case with acoustic guitars with a very big body. So what people use sometimes live, which is better as far as feedback is concerned, are these smaller body guitars like the Ovation, which comes with this rounded body made of plastic, or these thin line guitars here with only a small chamber. Of course, these guitars are not that loud like a jumbo acoustic in the room, but they come with a piezo system, so you can connect it to your amplifier or to the PA. And today I would like to compare these two guitars. Obviously, this guitar here, if you look it up in the Thomann homepage, it comes around 120 euro. It's very cheap. And this guitar comes around, I don't know, 600 euro. But both guitars are great and I like to play on both of them. So let's start with this guitar, the Ltd. I'm playing now through my NUX MG30 with a little bit of EQing. I'm just raising the highs a little bit for both guitars. I will use the same settings. I'm using also a little bit of a reverb. So that is the tone. By the way, both guitars come with a three-band EQ, where I've set everything flat for this comparison now. And this guitar has only volume control and the mentioned bass middle treble control, as this guitar has the bass middle treble, volume, let's see, and it comes with a tuner. So that is a very nice feature. I think this guitar sounds a little bit more bright, so let's reduce the highs a little bit. And let's play some picking. This one, used to have a little bit less bass than the other guitar. And let's play some leads. Maybe let's turn off the equalizer in the MG30. So this is how the guitar sounds without the enhanced highs. Add some mids. I like to add mids when I'm playing leads because it sounds more like a nylon string guitar, which is my preferred acoustic lead guitar. So, let's see how that guitar sounds. Let's boost some mids. Well, to me both guitars are usable. Tried them out when playing live, and I have to admit that the Ltd is a little bit, or is way better as far as the quality is concerned, as this guitar is very thin frets, very sharp edges. The frets have sharp edges, so it's a little bit annoying. Other than that, it's okay. It has some small optical issues here in the binding, as this guitar looks perfect to me, except the backside has a scratch, but I got this guitar as a B stock, so that could be the reason. Also, this guitar comes with better mechanics, Grover tuners. It's made in Indonesia, which is yeah, maybe also a little bit better quality than this made in China one. Although I have to admit that the recent made in China and made in Vietnam guitars by Harley Benton, they raised the quality. So, and of course you have to compare that this guitar is only 120 euro, as the other is maybe 500 or 600. So yeah, I think it depends on your budget and also which sound and which look you prefer. But I can't say anything bad about this guitar except the fret thing. And compared to the price, it's a, yeah, you get great bang for the buck. And I got this guitar 3 times, I think. Just different versions, nylon string version, and also while playing it. I'm very happy with the result. So, hope this helps you. And for your decision, please post your comments below, subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Goodbye.